Hi guys, this is a quick video just to show you how to unblock the drain channels in the back of the boot area. So if you look here, this is the area we're talking about, and you can see this is filled up with water. There's all the leaves and rubbish collect in this channel and they block the drain area, which is between the bumper, which is this, and the car. So all you need to do to clear this is grab a plastic cable tie like this, and then you need to just work it in between the bumper and the bodywork. So you just poke around in the bottom there, force it between the bumper and the bodywork, just move it around like this, and you see it's now draining out. You should see it underneath. There it is. So that's where it should be ending up. So once you've done that, just need to clean all of this out of the channel. Just make sure that the bottom here is clear, because that's where the water drains out. Okay, just a real simple one. See you next time.